This is the problem, and today I'm going to show you how to create a color to any color in Photoshop. Create adjustment layer, hue saturation. Inside of hue saturation you will see a hand. Click on her dress and take away all the values on right side. Now you can change the range of selection colors range. Adjust little bit when you see complete color selection. Little bit adjustment color range. I think little bit need more adjustment. Try and adjust the range of colors. When you think this is perfect, I think this is good. I think this is good. Little bit more. Now change the values on 0. You will see a magic. You can now change any colors in pink, purple, blue.